So hi guys, so we're currently here at the Forbes right now, and I bought something new today. Parang na-enjoy. I'm so excited now to all of the things that I bought today. And yeah, I bought something from Apple, and I also bought something from Lazada. So today will be the unboxing of all the products that I bought today. So I've got microphone. I've also got an adapter for an audio jack. Kasi nga yung iPhone 8 Plus, wala na siyang audio jack something in there. So I bought an adapter for that. And I hope you guys would enjoy this video. And this will be the unboxing and the review. So I hope you guys will... sorry. Sobrang napaklap ako. And I hope you guys will enjoy my video at the same time. Malaman nyo na kung mag-work pa siya or hindi mag-work, kung okay pa siya or hindi. So, yeah, enjoy my unboxing. Right. So guys, this is my BOYA microphone that I've got from Lazada today. I bought it from Lazada and I've unboxed it na nga already from the box itself. And I will be trying and test it out in my iOS or my MacBook or my iPhone. So yeah, we'll try this out. So that is the microphone. It has this microphone. Lagay ko na yung kanyang parang foam itself in the microphone. And as you can see, medyo mahaba siya. This is a very long line because it has purpose on it. Because what if malayo ka or you're too far from the camera and you still want your voice to be heard, I mean. So this long line is a bit of advantage if you want to like try to record your voice from afar, okay, to the phone or MacBook or a camera itself. So this is the switch. I think this is an option or switch. Okay, as you can see, it has off or smartphone or camera on it. So when you have camera or DSLR or a mirrorless camera, you have to put in this way. Yeah, and if you want to record it from a smartphone, iPhone, Android, or any smartphone, you have to switch it in off or smartphone. So it's very easy to use. You have to plug this one into your smartphone or into your laptop. So today, syempre, we're gonna try this out first in the iOS or in the iPhone. So since our iPhones do not have Apple jacks in it anymore, so we have to use an adapter for it. So yeah. So this is the adapter for an audio jack for the audio jack for okay. So this is the adapter. This is the audio adapter for iPhone. So if you want to use an earphone, you will have to buy this one separately from your iPhone. So in Philippines is 999 pesos. I think in US is I think like 20 bucks I think or 30, depends on the country. So yeah, if you want earphones to be if you want to use an earphone for your iPhone, you have to buy this one. Okay. We're gonna put this one into our microphone already. So this is the adapter for iPhone audio adapter. You have to put this one TIR, I think TIRS. So correct me if I'm wrong with my the audio something, you have to plug it here. Yeah. Okay, so this is the adapter. It should look like this one. And yeah, you have to plug this in your iPhone already. Yan. So I'm using this microphone already. Let's try and test it out. So let's try and test it out if it works. Okay, so this is my voice without any microphone. So I'm gonna try to lower my voice. So today, guys, I'm gonna go just edit today. So there's a bunch of people around here. I'm in an open parking here at the Fort Global City, and yeah. So I hope you guys can hear me, and I've got my new microphone in here, my new app, my new audio adapter for my iPhone, and yeah, it worked.